Hi everyone and welcome back. So this week I was talking to my friend and he happened to tell me that he was going to start an online business where he wanted to sell some merchandise. So he just happened to ask me if I knew of any easy and quick way to start an online store and start taking payment. So I told him I had just the answer for him and I'm going to share it with you right after this.
Living on zombie apocalypse.
Okay guys, so if you haven't already guessed, today we're going to be talking about Square. So Square is like an online or digital cash register that has the ability to control things like your clientele database, your employees' time, and even your items and your inventory. Now I came up with the top 4 benefits that I can remember when I first signed up for Square. The first benefit is that when you receive payment from your customers, within 1 business day, it's in your bank account. The second benefit is that you can easily and securely create repeated invoices. The third benefit is that you do not have to do a credit check and there is no monthly or hidden fees. And the fourth one is that Square actually provides you with an application which is accessible through iPhone and through Android, and you can even look it up on a computer or Mac through a web browser. Okay, so your next question is probably, how do they get paid when I make a sale? Well, if you manually enter in credit card information, they're going to charge you 3.4% plus an additional 15 cents as a fee per transaction. If you tap, insert, or swipe a Visa, MasterCard, or American Express, they're going to charge you 2.65% per transaction. And if you tap or insert a Interact debit card, there's a flat fee of 10 cents per transaction. So how many ways are there for me to actually take payment? Well, you can insert, tap, or swipe cards. You can take online payments. You can send the customer an invoice. You can manually key in or enter credit card information. And you also have the ability to take a payment when the customer creates a booking or sets up an appointment. Okay, so just before I open the products on the table, let's take a look at the services that Square offers, and I'll give you a very brief description on each. So invoices. Invoices allow you to get paid faster, and it also gives your customer the flexibility to make payments in the form that they want. A virtual terminal, we briefly touched upon this one earlier, but this is the application for both Apple and for Android, which also has an online version for PC and for Mac. The online gift cards, this one is unique because it allows you to create custom gift cards for your customers, and this form of payment is accepted through online and at the terminal. The dashboard and analytics. So this is an option where in real time you can print out a progress report on things like your sales or on employee status. Loyalty, this allows you to create a rewards program, and this also works online and through the POS or terminal. Team management, so this allows you to track your team's sales and to have timekeeping, so to see when your employees clock in and out. Then we have feedback. Now feedback, I believe when you make a sale and you provide a receipt to your customer, at the bottom of the receipt there's a section there that allows them to give feedback, and it also allows them to rate their service. Then you have the app marketplace. So Square has a marketplace where you can go and download applications that integrate with the Square ecosystem currently. And I've seen things like QuickBooks on there and a couple of other applications that work really well. Lastly, appointments. So this is important because just due to the situation out there in the world right now, this allows you to create bookings for you and for your client. Okay guys, so now my favorite part of this video is here. Let's take a look and see what we have on this table. The first item I wanted to show you guys was the card reader. This is the mini card reader. This connects to your mobile device or tablet through a 3.5 millimeter jack, which is the same jack that you would normally use for your headphones in a phone. I'm just going to pretend I'm going to use this gift card here that I have. So if you have a card that has one of these stripes on it, credit card, mostly Visa, MasterCard, American Express, what you're going to do is you plug this little device into your phone and you run through the process of charging the customer. When it comes to payment, the customer then takes this card and they're just going to insert and they're going to swipe, and then they'll be followed up with a signature or an approval to accept the charge. Now, this little device, if I remember correctly, cost me $9.99. And once you start the process on your device of setting up your Square, one of them is to set up your banking account. And when you do that, Square actually reimburses you $10 kind of as a test to make sure that the system is correct and the payments are going through to your bank. So this little unit here actually becomes free. So if you're interested in this unit here, I'm going to give this away as my first giveaway. So if you want this, just make sure you subscribe, that you like the video, and then in the comments down below, just write mini. And on the next video, I'll announce the winner of the free Square Reader. Now, the next one I want to talk about, and this one is a little bit newer. We'll look at what's in the box in a second. But this is another card reader. This connects to your mobile device, tablet, or phone through Bluetooth. And this one here actually allows you to accept taps and interact or cards with chips. This charges through the USB mini here at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. And then there's one little power button here on the side. And if you push this power button, you see there's those little 4 lights, and that just indicates how much battery is left on the unit. So again, if somebody wanted to make a payment, they would either be tapping this device with their card, or they would be inserting it up top like so, and then on your mobile device they would be following through with the rest of the sale. Now, one thing to note about this device, this does accept Apple Pay and Android Pay, and the cost for this unit is $49.99. So in the box with the unit, they actually provide you another one of these mini card readers. This one's brand new. And they also provide you with the charging cable, which is the USB to mini USB. So apart from these units now, let's take a look actually at what's in this envelope. So this one here gives you the Get Started guide, and it also comes with this cool little sticker that you can put on any window or anything that you'd like, and this just shows your customers what type of payments you accept with the reader. Okay, so last thing I want to show you is what's in this envelope here. So through the dashboard online, normally you can order these little kits. So if you're a seller or you work in a flea market, or you just need these to kind of put anywhere, you can order these for free. And what this is this has the same stickers that was what came in this box, and this just tells people the forms of payments that you accept. So it has one large sticker here, then it has one strip, which you can stick them anywhere you like. And this does come with 2 versions of them. The reason is because if you take the little card reader with you, then this one here, you should be using this sticker, because you cannot tap and you do not accept Apple or Android Pay. Now, if you have this machine here, then you'd want to be posting this sticker. And the same thing now goes with this. So this is one of those little triangle cards. On the outside, it shows all the forms of payments, including the Apple Pay and Android Pay. If you fold it from the inside out, then you're going to have just the Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, which again is meant more for just the little card reader. And these are very easy. You just kind of fold them in whichever way you like. And there's a little notch here at the bottom that you kind of slide it into. And then you just put it on your table just like that. Okay guys, so this brings us to the end of this episode. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. I always like hearing your opinion. If you guys like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and the notification bell so you're alerted for the next upcoming videos. And as always, stay safe and we'll see you on the next one.